Hi everyone, today we're going to read a Hey Duggee book called The Sharing Badge. Subscribe to my channel, press that red button below and follow me. We'll find even more Hey Duggee books in my collection. I've also got Bluey books, I've got Peppa Pig books, I've got so many books, Pop Up, Peekaboo books, I've got Lift the Flap books, Christmas books, you name it. So do check out my videos. Now let's begin. The squirrels are helping Duggee bake an apple pie. Let's get baking. First they need flour, butter and water. They put the ingredients in a bowl to make the dough. Then they mix it, knead it, roll it, lay it, fill it. And finally they put on the top. It's not very neat. Duggee cuts off the messy bits and the squirrels use them to decorate the pie. Finished, shout the squirrels. The pie looks marvellous. It's time to put it in the oven. But who's going to eat the pie? The squirrels start squabbling. They all want some. I'm going to eat all of it. Me too. No, I'm going to have all of it. So am I. No, I am. Ah, woof woof. Duggee knows what to do. He has his sharing badge. Sharing means dividing a thing between everyone equally. Let's say there's one banana and only Naughty Monkey wants it. He can have the whole banana to himself. Naughty Monkey doesn't need to share. Ooh, ah. But what if there is only one carrot and two rabbits want it? We need 2 bits of carrot. 1, 2. Cool, sharing. There are 3 chickens and only 1 sofa. Baka, baka, baka. Can the squirrels help the chickens share? Baka. I know, they can have 1 cushion each. 1, 2, 3. Baka, baka, baka. Hick, hick, hick. Oh dear, these 4 birds have the hiccups. They need some water, but there's only 1 jug. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4. These bumblebees all want to visit the flowers. Oh yeah, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers, counts Betty. The bees can collect pollen from 1 flower each. Yee-haw! The squirrels are getting the hang of this sharing business, and just in time, the pie is ready. Bing! Duggee carefully takes it out of the oven. Everyone wants some pie. Duggee divides the pie into 6 equal pieces. Crunch, crunch, chomp, chomp. Crunch. Well done, squirrels. You've earned your sharing badges. The end. Hope you enjoyed that. That was Hey Duggee, the sharing badge. Subscribe to my channel, press that red button below and follow me where you'll find even more Hey Duggee books in my collection. I also have Bluey books and Peppa Pig books, so do check out my channel. Bye bye for now.